Hello, I'm Miranda Penland and I will be showing you my social media project. My social media project mainly is about being online sharing the gospel, which is by uh, sharing links to sermons, uh, sharing encouragement words, and also having challenges like I will be talking to you inside this presentation. My online audience, my personal social media. The platforms that I mainly use is Instagram, Snapchat, and Facebook. My development areas that I will be using with this is sharing testimony, sharing the gospel to everyone. That's my main audience. Being consistent. My followers mainly are just Instagram and Facebook, which Instagram has 632 followers and Facebook 549. I know that's small, but like I feel like the amount of people that I share with will actually like reshare them, like them more, and it will be more advanced inside the technology world, which we need that nowadays because so much is happening inside social media that we need this spark of light in there to help overcome the darkness that people are sharing and everything. The audience analysts and the platform selections, I would target everyone, every age, everyone, small, small, older. Like I would have different ages. Like if I'm targeting kids, like if I have mainly, um, I would have two platforms that I would have. One is targeted for kids and another one for adults. But like I would have majority in adults mainly. But I would use this for all ages. I would be on Instagram, Facebook, and Snapchat. I know a lot of people don't do Snapchat anymore, but I do, and I feel like I can target those people mainly with just because they're going to be teens and adults mainly on there. There's probably not going to be that many younger kids, but I would still use my material to be to target those to target everybody. My targeted strategies are I have a calendar that I would post regularly. Like I would have to help post regularly, and then I would grow my community and challenges like post Christ-like material for weeks, and then have a thing to follow. I would be like, oh, this week, this day, post something that encouraged you. Post a Bible verse that really relates to you right now. Post this, post that. I would have a calendar that I also would like share with everybody. That would be like, oh, here's this upcoming challenge for the week. And then also I would share links of church live sermons, charities, and every post words of encouragement and everything. So I would use all this as my content that I would use. The measurements and evaluation plan. The KIP assessing would be impressions and tone would be my big points because I want to have the impression that it would be like, hey, this lady is posting Christ-like material that I need to follow. I need to see this every day because she's actually posting something that's giving me words of encouragement for my day that I need to brighten my day. Or my tone needs to be good and shouldn't be aggressive. It should be just a welcoming. My KIP spreadsheet for posting material on a day-to-day basis, like my what I said in my previous slide, I would have that for me to post every single day. My focus on mainly is just being encouragement. I don't want to be, like I said in my tone, I want to be encouragement. I don't want to be too pushy. I don't want to be too like, you need to do this or so and so, and something's going to happen. No, I just want you to be like, hey, I need this word of encouragement. Thank you for posting this. That helped me for the day. Or that helped me just get through the work. Or that changed my mentality forever. My creativity would be mainly just, like I said, posting again in Facebook, live streams, like the bottom right photo. I would post verses and stuff that would be encouragement, and then also I would be using charity uh, websites and stuff and organizations and stuff. But I would mainly be on those three um, social medias. and they would be helping me, like I said before, doing challenges and stuff. That's my main thing. I want to do challenges because it takes, I think it's is it 60 days? I think it's 60 days to master a habit. And I want us to have that encouragement habit inside our brain and stuff. So, thank you and have a great day.